From Adam to Seth, how legacy starts. Genesis chapter 5 verse 1 to 8. My people, make una hear word. Bible no dey waste space. Even this list of names for Genesis chapter 5 carry deep message. God create Adam, bless am, give am power. When Adam born Seth, Bible talk say Seth resemble Adam. Na legacy we dey talk here, spiritual resemblance. Just like Adam resemble God, Seth resemble Adam. The question be, who you resemble, who you dey follow? Adam live 930 years before he die, but wetin he leave behind matter pass how long he live. If this message touch you, tap like and share with person wey need legacy reminder. Make your name count for something. Type legacy if you agree. Make you no also forget to subscribe, abeg.